Fuck it, my nigga. Fuck it, my nigga. Why y'all tripping? I'm doing good. G-Shock on the wrist, yeah, life's good. Getting money, man. Get your paper up. I know you mad, I know you mad, yeah, you mad as fuck. Stop hating on me, I'm in my lane. So stop swerving in mine, get in your lane. HOV, yeah, I'm in the lane. Swerving on you niggas all in the game. Yeah, you niggas fake and fucking lame. I'm the realest nigga, no need to explain. I'm the realest at what I do. Nigga from the murder, nigga, you know what to do. Yeah, man, fuck what you talking about. Nigga, you can keep running your motherfucking mouth. It ain't stopping shit over here, young ZOE. I'm the hottest of the year. Put me in the game, I bet they cheer. Bitches in the sideline, yes, they cheer. And they cheer for your boy. I'm riding on them toys. I play with them toys and the murder keep a burner on the west side, yeah. Of the murder, am on the mountain. Yes, I'm packing that heat. If you want to know D-Wade or LeBron James, I don't even know what I'm doing. Can't wait till my little nigga get out of jail and do it. Get out here and we'll fucking do it. Niggas already know I don't chop and screw it. But I chop and screw anything, I don't give a fuck. I'm the hardest in my fucking lane. I don't even know. Freestyle off the top of the dome. Fresh fitted hat, you niggas know about it. Nigga, my gang, you niggas know about it. Switch the hat so I can't rep the gang. 17708, you know the gang, they call me Zoe. Nigga already motherfucking know I get the cash, the money, yeah, you know I fucking blow. Yeah, I blow like the wind, like the trees in the wind. Yeah, I'm at it again. I don't even really know, dog. I count figures, nigga. I pull triggers like, oh, dog. You heard what I said. I put some money on your motherfucking head, nigga. And if I do that, best believe you gon' be dead, nigga. Fresh fitted hat, him the waves, yeah, I'm getting them. Yeah, soon as it grow back, chain around my neck, G-Shock around my wrist, yeah, them Gucci's on my feet, yeah, you better know they fit. Yeah, you better know they fit, nigga. Oh, I'm just bored, my nigga, so it's whatever, my nigga. I ain't even tripping. I'm low-key sleepy, too. I'm looking for another beat. Let's see. See about this Wiz Khalifa, though.